Megan, a senior communications manager, has been working for her company for 3 years and loving the work environment. However, she noticed with time there became fewer and fewer ways to engage with management and other teams. She decided to provide the feedback but realized there wasn't a straightforward way to do that either. In the meantime, Mark, head of HR, saw a statistic online that employee turnover is growing and workers feel disconnected from the organization's management. He decided to do an engagement survey to see if employees at their organization felt the same way. Once he saw the results, it was clear that there is a need for an engagement program. Mark found Assembly, and it checked all the boxes. He could create custom engagement activities like surveys, nominations, and birthday celebrations. It was scalable to accommodate the company growth and had analytics to make sure his efforts were working. A few months after launching the program, Mark saw how much more employees were engaged and how the company culture has improved. Employees, including Megan, felt heard and aligned with the management, which made them excited to grow with the company. Assembly can help unlock employee engagement or go even further. Bring teams, tasks, and conversations together to improve productivity, recognition, performance management, and more, so you can focus your time on what matters most.